Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, today I am going to do the reading of Akashic Records. First, tell you what's the Akashic Records. Akashic Records are those records that are stored on the 5D world. That whatever things we do and whatever things we have done in the past and whatever things we are going to do in the future, all are recorded in the Akashic Records. So many people who have done a lot of inner work and their third eye chakra is activated very nicely, they themselves can have a visit to the Akashic records and see what is written in their future. But everyone is not that lucky. So let's see what is written in the Akashic records. Let me try to open your cards and see what is what is written on the in your Akashic records. That is written by God. Oh God. All these cards are very struck actually. The Queens of Scrolls. Actually, the at present the Queen of Scrolls is telling me your records are written. It's in the process of being written. They are not exactly written what is going to happen, because whatever inner work and whatever efforts you are going to do, that will decide, and that will be written in the scrolls of yours, what is going to happen in your life and what you are going to do. Because when you are doing inner work, they definitely have a choice at one point, that whether you want to continue the journey or you want to go with the other soulmate that has come in your life. Suppose if you are taken a free will and you opted for your free will, so that time the Akashic records will change. That's why it's still been in the process of writing what you are going to do. Uriel and Shrink, the spinning, these are the, you can say, these are the angels. These angels are deciding on themselves. Between them, their discussion is going on the what we should do of this person and what is the future of this person, when they are going to come into union. All these things is definitely going on with the discussion. Big discussion is going on in between the angels, you can say that. And spring and autumn card is coming, and the four of forces. The four of forces is a union card actually for me. 4 number represents a permanent union. So definitely a strong discussion is happening about, or it is written in your stars. They are going to write in your stars when the union, permanent union. Maybe they have decided that they should come into permanent union on this 3D plane, because spring and autumn season, all this kind of season comes only on the planet Earth and no other planet. So on the 3D level, they are deciding a physical union for you, and you have worked a lot for this. 8 of keys is telling me that you and your person has both worked a lot for this, and the angels themselves, this can say the person is handing over the key to this person. So definitely this, they are planning to give you the key to your door, you can say that. The whatever work you have put and whatever efforts you have done in this all last so many days, so many months and so many years, so the God wants to give you the key to your success, you can say that. The key to success is what? Your physical union with your person. So that is being discussed about, or you can say that that is written in your stars, because Akashic records are records that decide our future, on which your future is written. But your scroll card is coming, Queen of Scroll. Definitely your future is getting written at present, because seeing your hard work, you can say, the caught in the ruins. Maybe in the past you were feeling that you were imprisoned, or you won't have that much freedom. That kind of situation was happening in your life and you were feeling very claustrophobic. But now this caught in the ruins and the journey card is coming. So I feel many of you will be freed from your this claustrophobic situation, and whatever thing was blocking your relationship, you and your person, from that thing you both are going to come out. That's for sure. And one person is definitely there to help you. I feel that some person is guiding you in this scenario, so that person will help you a lot. And the journey card is coming, so I feel there's a long journey for both of you. You both are going to do your soul purpose also together, I feel that's way, because journey card is coming. So I feel you both are meant to be together, you are meant to come in for permanent union on this earth. I feel that the light of the work is telling me, just see, you have opened the doors of your house, and this angel with this light is coming, and they're knocking at the door. This angel is coming you to tell you a future. Be alert. Suppose in the dream some of your ancestors or spirit guides comes you, or you feel that someone your beloved who has left you before has come in your dreams, they are going to guide you and they are going to tell you about your future. This is quite possible, because many people get downloads in their dreams sometimes, or when they are taking a power nap, that time also it's quite possible that you may get a dream, or an old person or something like that, or spirit guides or angel may come in your dream and they may tell you about your future. This is a strong possibility I am seeing in this in your cards. It is a strong possibility. Yeah, divine physician, the karmic trench, and the Buddha prepares. Just see the divine physician. Divine physician is the one who is healing you. They are giving you healing energies. I am definitely feeling that you and your person are in the stages of healing. So this healing is directly from the universe. Directly universe is sending you this healing. So this is good, because 6 number is a card of love also. So definitely this healing, both in this relationship, the healing was very important, whether it was subconscious healing or inner childhood wounds or anything such a kind of thing. The divine physician is at work, you can say that divine physician is at work, and they are helping you to heal all your issues. Even if you are getting triggers from your person or your family members, don't bother, because the physician is at there and they are in the process of healing, you can say that. Because of that you are getting all this thing. Your karmic trench is getting cleared, you can say that. Just see how much of the work you have already done. Only this much work has been left out. Only this much of your karmic garbage you can say that has been left out to be cleared. When this garbage of your this karmic trench will be completely, you will achieve your union for sure. 4 of scroll, again 4 number is a card of permanent union, I am telling you. So the karmic trench is getting over. You can say that 75-80% of your work has been done. Only 20% of your healing is left, and 20% of your karmic baggage is left. That will be cleared, and then only you will come into union. And the Buddha is telling me, the Buddha is preparing you all. You can say the meditation and healing work, whatever you all are doing, that thing is helping you a lot. That thing is helping you a lot, because this meditation, chakra meditation, or only om chanting, whatever you are doing, this is for the preparation of your union, you can say that. So do keep doing healing work and keep doing meditation, and even if you are getting triggers from a karmic or something like that, don't bother much about it. Be calm and composed, because that is only going to help you to achieve your union. So you're very close to your union. Only 20% of your work is left, so don't bother much, and be cool. And it's a good news for you all. Your commitment is being tested. What I am telling you, just see what I mentioned. I can't believe it. What I told you, that your scroll is been written right now. It is not already written. It is written. It is going to be written right now. So nothing is set in the stone yet. So nothing is permanent right now, because whatever hard work and whatever inner work you are doing, that is only going to decide your future. That is that this confirmation I am getting from the universe. Nothing is yet set in the stone, and your commitment is being tested. Maybe a soulmate, past soulmate, or a past lover may come into your life, or new soulmate or new person may come into your life. So God will test you how much you are committed to your person, and how much you want your person only. That commitment is going to be tested. So be prepared for your test, because it is it can come any time, because you are very close to your union, and when the time of union is close up, this kind of test comes a lot. So that is a quite possibility, and you are good enough, and God is telling me, believe me, you alone are good enough to do your good work and your inner work, and you yourself are capable to achieve your union. You don't need the support of any other else except universe and the divine. That's for sure. Very nice cards, friends. Hope you got some clarity about what is written in your Akashic records, and please keep doing the inner work and be focused. Thank you. Thanks for watching.